Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you. In my view, the United States Supreme Court is increasingly likely to issue a decision scaling back or sharply limiting the scope of Trump-era tariffs by reaffirming that the constitutional authority to impose duties rests primarily with Congress under Article 1, Section 8. While presidents have long exercised delegated trade authority, recent jurisprudence suggests the court is increasingly skeptical of broad, open-ended delegations of core economic powers without clear statutory limits. The central issue is whether Congress provided sufficiently explicit authorization for sweeping tariffs imposed under national security or economic threat justifications. In the absence of a clearly defined emergency or demonstrable immediate economic danger, the court may determine that such expansive tariff actions exceed permissible executive authority. Recent Supreme Court trends, particularly the strengthening of the nondelegation doctrine and the major questions doctrine, indicate a growing judicial willingness to require Congress to speak with unmistakable clarity when transferring significant economic power to the executive branch. If the court concludes that existing trade statutes lack precise limits or fail to define triggering conditions for unilateral tariffs, it is likely to scale back presidential authority and return responsibility to the federal legislature. Such a ruling would not necessarily abolish all tariffs imposed under executive authority, but would require Congress to provide clear statutory frameworks, defined emergencies, and measurable standards. The result would restore Congress as the primary constitutional actor in trade policy and require future presidents to secure explicit legislative backing before imposing broad tariff regimes affecting the national economy.